This is the powerful drill machine, one of the most important tools in construction, woodworking, and metalworking. In this 3D animation, we will explore all major parts and how a power drill works. It also works as a powerful screwdriver for fast assembly work. Number 1. The electric motor, the heart of the drill machine. Number 11. Side handle, provides better control and stability. It converts electricity especially useful for heavy-duty drilling. Power. Number 2. Gearbox, controls speed and increases torque. It allows the drill to work in different speed settings. Number 3. Drill chuck, holds different drill bits securely. It can hold twist bits, masonry bits, and screwdriver bits. Number 4. Variable speed trigger, controls the speed of the drill. The more you press, the faster it spins. Number 5. Forward and reverse switch, changes direction of rotation. Useful for driving screws in and out. Number 6. Torque clutch, prevents over-tightening of screws. It protects the screw and the material. Number 7. Cooling vents, keep the motor cool during long use. Number 8. Drill bit, the part that actually cuts or drills the hole. Wood bits, metal bits, masonry bits, and more. It easily drills clean holes in wood, metal, plastic, and concrete. Number 9. Hammer action, for drilling in concrete and brick. Watch the complete working of a power drill machine. Number 10. The powerful chuck and bit system working together. It drills precise holes in wood, plastic, and soft materials. With hammer mode, it can drill into concrete and brick walls. Thank you for watching this detailed 3D explanation. Power drill machine, how it works, and complete guide. Subscribe for more tool animations. Number 12. Built-in LED light, illuminates dark work areas. Makes working in tight and dark corners much easier. Now watch the complete working cycle of the power drill. From furniture making to construction, it is used everywhere. Every component works together for maximum performance. Twist bits, spade bits, hole saws, and masonry bits. Essential tool for carpenters and woodworkers. With hammer function, easily drills into concrete. Regular cleaning and lubrication increases its lifespan. Easy to change bits according to the job. Built strong for daily professional use. Available in both corded and cordless models. Cordless drills offer more freedom and portability. This is how a modern power drill machine works. From motor to chuck, every part is precisely engineered. Every workshop and construction site needs a good drill machine. Reliable, powerful, and versatile tool. The power drill, a must-have tool for every craftsman. Now you know every major component of the drill machine. Easy to use, easy to maintain. The drill machine, engineered for precision and power.